Do you love the idea of seeing the world from above like a bird? If you're into aerial photography, the mini drone is your ideal companion. These small wonders enhance your photography, letting you capture amazing moments from the sky. Mini drones are compact, easy to use, and suitable for photographers of all levels. Choosing the best one among numerous brands can be tough, but don't worry, I have researched and selected the top 5 mini drones just for you. In this video, I will reveal these fantastic flying gadgets, perfect for home use and capturing incredible moments. Check the description for links to the best prices on each product mentioned in the video. Ready for an airborne adventure? Let's get started. Number 5. Holystone HES 420 Mini Drone. Best budget. Holystone HES 420 Mini Drone, a marvel of aerial entertainment for adults and beginners alike. In a sleek red design, this drone is not just a visual delight but packs a punch with features that guarantee endless fun. With one key start, altitude hold, and headless mode, takeoff and control become a breeze. The emergency stop ensures safety in urgent situations, making flight operations remarkably easy. But the real thrill lies in its exciting capabilities. From being tossed to launch to executing jaw-dropping stunts like 3D flips, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. Customize flight paths via the app and with high and low-speed modes, cater to both novice and experienced pilots. Capture your adventures in stunning detail with the 720p HD FPV camera, adjustable for perfect angles. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission broadens your view, simplifying photography. With 2 modular batteries, enjoy extended flight time without the endurance anxiety, and easily swap batteries for uninterrupted fun. Compact, lightweight, and portable, the Holystone HES 420 is your pocket-sized drone companion, perfect for parties, school, fishing, hiking, or any journey. Safety features like propeller guards ensure worry-free enjoyment, allowing you to seize every wonderful moment in the sky. Number 4. Hotel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. Best advanced aerial level fun. Hotel Robotics EVO Nano Plus, the ultimate pocket drone that redefines the possibilities of aerial photography. Boasting a stunning white design, this drone is packed with cutting-edge features that cater to all skill levels. Equipped with a powerful 4K RYYB Leica camera, featuring exclusive RYYB technology, the Nano Plus excels in low light conditions, capturing 40% more light for superior night photography. The 1x1.28 CNOS sensor and 50MP lens from Leica in Germany ensure top-notch image quality. Safety takes center stage with 3-directional obstacle, sensing and resistance to level 5 winds. The drone can soar to a max altitude of 4,000 meters, delivering stable footage even along windy coastlines or above alpine forests. With Dynamic Track 2.1 and an industry-leading 28-minute flight time, the Nano Plus automatically follows subjects, allowing you to focus on your activities while it captures cinematic shots. The One-Click Vlog Quick Shots feature makes professional-level shots a breeze, and with 10 kilometers video transmission and 3 transmission frequencies, connectivity is seamless. Experience the dual autofocus and 4K HDR camera, elevating your content creation whether you're a seasoned pilot or a drone enthusiast. The Hotel EVO Nano Plus is your go-to companion for more battery, more time, and more creativity in every flight. Number 3. ATUP Mini Drone. Best entry-level fun. ATUP Mini Drone X-Pack 2. A fantastic entry-level drone that combines fun and functionality in a sleek blue design. Perfect for beginners and kids, this drone is equipped with a range of features that make it easy to operate and capture stunning aerial moments. Experience HD pictures, live videos, and FPV drone capabilities, providing an immersive and dynamic flying experience. The voice control feature adds an extra layer of excitement, making it an engaging option for users of all ages. Safety is a top priority with the ATUP X-Pack 2, featuring a safe design and a low battery warning. The upgraded charging cable with imported chips ensures over-voltage protection, preventing accidents during charging. The drone is not only easy to control with one key takeoff/landing and altitude hold, but also offers multiple flight functions and control modes for a versatile flying experience. The foldable design adds convenience and portability, making it a great companion for on-the-go adventures. Whether you're a kid or a beginner, the ATUP mini drone is a delightful gift that combines ease of use with advanced features for capturing memorable moments in the sky. Number 2. Ricoh F11 Mini Drone. Best balance of performance and ease. Ricoh F11 Mini Drone, a powerful and user-friendly gadget designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. In sleek and compact design, this drone stands out with features that elevate your aerial photography experience. Weighing under 250 grams, the F11 Mini requires no FAA registration, ensuring hassle-free flying. Its brushless motor guarantees stability both indoors and outdoors, with a flight altitude of up to 393 feet and a takeoff altitude of 6,561 feet. Capture breathtaking moments with the 4K UHD camera, offering stunning 4096 by 3072 photos and smooth 2.7K/25 fps videos. Enjoy real-time 2K video transmission up to 1,640 feet away, thanks to the 120 degrees wide-angle field of view and adjustable 90 degrees lens. The F11 Mini boasts an impressive 60-minute flight time, supported by 2 intelligent flight batteries. Utilize intelligent GPS flight features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest for an enhanced flying experience. With beginner-friendly functions like one-tap takeoff/landing and emergency landing, along with a protective camera cover, flying has never been easier. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Best overall. DJI Mini 3 Pro, a game-changing drone that redefines aerial photography for enthusiasts and beginners alike. In a sleek gray design, this foldable and lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, eliminating the need for registration in most regions, making it the perfect companion for every adventure. Capture your world in stunning detail with 4K/60 fps video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and /1.7 aperture for exceptional imagery day or night. The Mini 3 Pro introduces true vertical shooting, allowing for perfect portrait shots ideal for social media. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, or upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for an impressive 47 minutes of carefree exploration. Fly with confidence thanks to tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, ensuring unparalleled safety. Unleash your creativity with features like Focus Track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time lapse, quick transfer, and more. The included DJI RC-N1 lets you pack light for a seamless creative experience. For an immersive flight experience, pair with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, and RC Motion 2, offering real-time camera transmission and effortless control for a thrilling FPV flight. In the dynamic world of aerial photography, these mini drones are the epitome of innovation and convenience. From jaw-dropping 4K footage to compact designs, they redefine the possibilities of capturing stunning moments from above. Ready to elevate your photography game? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Let your creativity take flight with the best mini drones of 2024.